like I said in my last video, I said in this video I'm going to create the main application. I'm going to run the main loop. So how to create the main application? I'm going to make use of a class in this of our Tkinter module. The name of the class is called TK. This is going to create our application, and that we're going to make use of what is called main loop to actually run the application. So how can we do that? We can create a variable. Let's call it main, and then we're going to say TK. Remember, it's capital letter T and small letter K, and I'm going to open and close braces. This is a class, and the next what we're going to do is because if we run this, we're not going to, let's see what we get. Nothing. There's no output here. This TK, this thing that I want to create an application. And by application, on your system or your mobile phone, your Chrome or your calculator, that's an application. For you to run it, when it comes in case of Tkinter, you must have this TK initialized. And for us to able to run the entire loop, we're going to call this variable that holds this of our TK, or the hold is the application. I'm going to say this main loop dot what I'm going to say main dot what main loop is now going to run this application. So let's run it. You can see I get this kind of a tiny, let me draw this up. I get this kind of a tiny icon. I can say this tiny thing here. It's not really big as of now. I can try to resize it. Let me resize it a little bit. You can see I can resize it and then over it around, but doing it like this is not really the best way. There's still many best way what we come to that of resizing of this of our Tkinter this thing that we created. And like I said, this is create the application and this runs the loop. It's just like this create the application and this runs it. Just like this mail, just like trying to compile everything and then run it. Without you specifying this main loop, it's going to be displayed on your screen no matter how hard you try. So that's a bit I want us to look at in the video. Next we are going to add title to it, because when I run this I get this kind of TK title here. In our case, that's not what we want. And for this of our TK tutorial, I'm going to do a whole lot of tutorials. I'm going to do a lot of project on it, and that's basically what we're going to talk about in the tutorial that we're going to, I can say the project we're going to do on this Tkinter library, make use of this Tkinter library. So be prepared for it. They are not going to be hard. They are going to be pretty easy to understand. So I think this should be the end for the video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll be able to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.